Welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode number 94, and episode 94 will be our very favorite episode because we all love designer blouses and we love Bengal handlooms. So it's a fusion between those, how you can mix and match with handlooms and blouses which are also handmade and lovely embroidery done on those. So keep watching. Product number 1, it's only 1650. Royal blue and red, stable handloom, Bengal cotton. We have shown multiple colors in this in earlier episodes. We had shown a peacock green color, a white and black color, a white and red color, and this is another new color that has been woven. It's royal blue. It's not a very loud royal blue. It's a beautiful deep royal blue with dual tone magenta red border. This is the blouse pallu, and here is the weave. Just see the weave. It will be one peacock and one dollar buta. It's a very pretty weave and very reasonably priced. 1650 rupees. You can gift to your loved ones during the pujas also. You can just do a collection. This is a with blouse piece. See, it will have a stripe woven blouse piece in red, and this is the whole sari after draping. A very smart combination in horizontal stripe. Product number 1, 1650 rupees. Product number 2, the same one, but the color changes to black and red. Like I always say, just take the screenshot of the product. The description is mentioned in the scroll that's going. So see, the number is mentioned. So once I get the number, in case the number, the color, that's very important. Even the price is also mentioned there. So just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the two numbers that is provided. Once I confirm you, only then I will give you the bank details. If it's available, only then I will give you the business account bank details. Once the payment is done, we will ship it to you. We ship worldwide, within India, within Kolkata, and of course abroad also. First come, first serve basis. Charges are of course applicable for the delivery charges. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata with an additional charge, and outside Kolkata it will be via courier. Black and red, number 2, 1650 rupees. Product number 2, Bengal cotton. Product number 3, this is also a very smart weave. It's in horizontal stripe with red, grey and black color combination in white. So a similar one I had worn, not exactly the same, mine was a different weave. This is another weave, but it looks very smart on wearing. Even though it's in horizontal stripe and we feel that we will be looking broader in this, but it's absolutely wrong. It will look very smart on wearing this because it's when you are wearing the pallu part, it becomes in not a horizontal, then the stripe changes to diagonal. See, this is the sari. You can wear it with a red blouse or a slate color blouse, and of course a black blouse also. Only 2000 rupees. Very, very comfortable pure cotton, ideal for this summer. And with this, it has a running blouse. You can make the blouse and wear it with something else also. Same one, another combination. Product number 4. In dark slate color, charcoal black color. See, this is also equally smart. Very pretty weave. Bengal pure cotton handloom, rupees 2000. And just I'll turn, this is the pallu part. Yeah, this is the right side. Here is the actual weave, yeah. This is the pallu part. Same price, 2000 rupees. Slate black and red color combination. This looks really very smart, this color combination. Grey color is a very favorite color. See, this is the handloom weave. This too has a running blouse piece. So again, you can just make the body black and the sleeves in stripe in case you want a difference. But even with this blouse, it will look very smart. Very smart weave this is. And only 2000 and very comfortable mainly. Now another new weave, Bengal cotton in ikat style. Ganga Jamuna border, milk white, very pretty weave. See the ikat concept weave. This is the woven border, red with weave, upper part black with weave, pallu red black weave, and here is the whole sari, pure cotton, handloom, hand woven Bengal cotton. This is the blouse piece. This is the border in one side and this is the border in the other side. And see, the sari itself has a lovely texture. This is the. Now with this, I'll show you few blouses. Cotton katha blouse. 1250 rupees only, with lining, front and back both embroidery in katha, front and back both work, front open, sizes 36 to 42. 1250 rupees, this is one option. The other one is, you can try this one also, black and red. 1250 rupees, cotton katha blouse, ready made. Sizes again 36 to 42, front open, no cups, cap sleeve till here, the sleeves in, and it's fully worked. 1250. And the sari prices 3800 rupees. Just one thing, the blouses we have all one pieces. So those who will purchase the sari along with the blouse will get the first preference. The saris can be woven by a weaver, but the blouses are all single pieces. Product number 63800, 3800, product number 6, the second color in that concept. Again ikat weave, Ganga Jamuna border, and this color is a beautiful peachish brown color combination. It's a biscuit color combination actually, with red and black, again Ganga Jamuna border. It's a lovely woven pallu. I love the pallu part. Lovely woven pallu. Again, it will have the same concept blouse, but I'll show you another blouse with this, a cotton katha blouse. Front open. This is the blouse piece. The back, front and back fully thread work. 1250 for the blouse and 3800 for the sari. This is the sari blouse. This is the blouse piece for the sari. Now a very interesting sari. Pure cotton with tussar pallu, no border. This is what makes it unique. It doesn't have a border, but at the same time it's such a gorgeous sari. It's a light pista color and it has beautiful weave, Manipuri design weave in the body throughout. Pista and black color combination. See the pallu. That's what I was saying. Ghicha Tassar pallu. Woven pallu with black tassels. See. Very pretty sari. It's a very elegant sari. You can wear it with the sari blouse also. This is equally pretty. It's in two-tone color, the blouse piece, which the sari has. This is the blouse piece in charcoal black color. And with this, you can try this blouse piece also. Again, a cotton katha blouse. 1250 rupees. Front open with lining. All the blouses will come with lining. And this is once again I'll show you the pallu part. 4,900 rupees sari price, 4,900 rupees. Another color in that same design. It's in white and red. Product number 8. White and red color combination with red dual tone blouse piece. Gorgeous pallu, no border, red woven blouse piece. Very pretty color combination, and throughout again we'll have this butta. Summer and very bong combination. And here is the blouse piece, which I'll show with this. It's a pure tussar blouse piece, front and back fully hand embroidery. Even this blouse you can wear it with many other saris. 2,990 rupees. This is the back and this is the sleeves. Very cute bird with flower, 2 sleeves and the back. Front. So it's throughout work, all over embroidery, the blouse piece. 2,990 and the sari price 4,900 rupees. Now comes another cotton, price 3,250. Extremely uncommon combination. Very deep bottle green with matha par in turquoise blue. Pallu. And it has this, polka weave all over with little temples in the lower border part and the upper border also. Very comfortable, good count cotton fabric. Blouse piece will be running. This is product number 10. 3,250, product number 10. It's in dark royal blue, deep midnight blue with orange color and Rani Ganga Jamuna border. Again the same polka weave, polka and temple weave with beautiful tassels. running blouse piece. And we have these kind of sleeveless blouse pieces. You know, we have these silk sleeveless blouse pieces, magenta color, to go with this, with cups, sleeveless, rupees 2000. We have 4-5 colors, the common colors which we regularly need: black, red, green, yellow, magenta. Rupees 2000 for this blouse. See, even this mannequin is wearing with the same blouse. It's looking so pretty. This is linen jamdani in slate color. Linen jamdani. See the weave. Dual tone linen jamdani. Ganga Jamuna par, Rani and orange. And the price is 3,990 rupees. 3990. The mannequin wearing the similar blouse. Rupees 2000 blouse. And the sari price is only 3,990 rupees, linen jamdan. Another color in the previous polka weaving that I showed, it's in dark maroon color, very rich maroon with orange border, and the other side will have the pink border, Rani border, reddish border, red and orange color combination, border in rich maroon with green polka also. This is the pallu. Same price, 3250 with running blouse piece. Pure cotton Bengal, extremely comfortable textured sari. It has a dual tone texture in this. And this Ganga Jamuna Matha par looks very, very smart. Again with this, I'll give you an option of this Katha, reverse Katha blouse, front and back fully thread work, reverse Katha blouse, thread work, front open. This is the work, pure silk, front open and with lining. We have many options for Katha blouses. The silk Katha blouses are 2,650 rupees for the silk Katha blouse. The cotton Katha blouses are 1,250 rupees. And all handwork with lining, without cups. Extremely gorgeous weave in cotton with jute. Again Matha par, black. I simply love this sari. Just see the weave. And the woven pallu. I too have taken one of these. It's a lovely sari, especially the pallu and the weave. Just see this antique, jute woven pallu with the tassels, and the tassels are also so beautiful. Now this sari itself has an extremely gorgeous blouse, very elegant, very classy blouse. The whole sari, the whole weave is absolutely gorgeous and very ethnic. This is the blouse piece. See the blouse piece. Definitely make this blouse. It's a very interesting weave. And with this, I can give you another option if you want to mix and match. Pure tussar kachwork blouse. ₹2,990. This is the front. This is the back. This is the sleeves. Only 2,990 rupees in pure tussar and hand embroidery kachwork with mirrors. The sari price is 4,350. 4,350 is the sari price, I'll show you some very pretty colors in this. 4350, this is in turquoise blue. With, of course, this blouse piece. $4350, and with this, see the sari, the color, the border will be pinkish red, onion pink color border. Very nice color combination. And you can see this blouse with this. Again, a Kutch work blouse. See, I'll open one blouse and you'll see so much of work, and in pure tussar. This is the back. This is the back part. This is the front part and the sleeves. It's full work, hand work. So with this you can try this combination. Very interesting combination. The blouse will be similar to that of the pallu. Now comes product number 14 in grey color. Stunning weave. I mean, you will love this weave. The overall total concept of the sari, the gorgeous pallu. Those who wants to avoid zari and too much of shine and too much of they want very traditional handlooms, they will really love these saris. Of course, it will have this blouse piece. And this blouse also goes with a lot of handlooms. Slate color, and here is another katha blouse. You can try this with this also, grey and red, multicolor katha blouse. Reverse katha in pure Bangalore silk, 2,650 rupees. 2650 katha blouse, front back fully thread work, front open, 2,650. And closely I'll show you how lovely the embroidery is. Just once more the tassels. Last color in this is in navy. Number 15 is navy blue color. It's an absolute beauty with this blouse piece. Reddish pink border. Now comes another category of sari, woven snuff color, cotton handloom with tassels. Product number 16, 3,500 rupees, 3500. ₹3,500. Very interesting pallu. These are all Bengal weaves, and very traditional weaves. These looks very nice on wearing, and The color combination, the whole finish, the polish, and mainly its comfort. During the summer, this weather, this is the blouse piece. Lovely blouse piece. Very rich blouse. Once again, I'll just show you the pallu part. Here is the pallu. Now, the ones that I'm wearing. See, what I'm wearing is also in cotton with woven pallu, and the blouse is there, of course. 3,250 rupees. I'll show you some gorgeous colors. 3,250. Tassels, woven pallu. See how pretty, the chatai weave. We call it chatai weave. This will have running blouse, black blouse. These stripes, pallu, and black blouse. So quickly I'll show you all the colors. Chatai weave, no border, cotton handloom, that was black. Myself wearing purple. This being magenta, with all will have black blouse. Contrast black blouse, only black will have the black blouse, that won't be contrast. So you can wear a different blouse with that. This is also a very nice color. Magenta. Dual tone Bengal cotton, vertical stripe, cotton handloom with chatai pallu, black blouse piece. Black blouse piece. 3,250, no border. Snuff, black blouse, product number 19. Very rich color, though it's snuff color, but on wearing, see, this gives very pretty look, especially when you wear it with the black blouse. It look very nice. $3,250 chatai weave. Lovely pallu. Now comes the peacock blue color. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We are closed on Sundays. Just WhatsApp the number if you have any queries. There are two numbers provided, so you can WhatsApp to any of the numbers. This is another peacock blue. Blouse. And this is another blouse option. $1,250. It's cotton blouse. Cotton katha blouse, 1,250 rupees. And the last one is in maroon. Rich maroon. blouse. And an option for blouse 1250 cotton katha. $12.50 for the blouse and 3250 for this sari. And the one that I am wearing, this purple, is also available. This is 3250 again. This color is also available. And the neck piece that I am wearing, it's an uncut stone, crude stones, and it just has been outlined with an alloy. 1900 is the neck piece, no earring, only 1900 for the neck piece, and it's multicolored, so you can wear it with a lot of sarees. So thank you, keep watching. Namaskar, bhalo thakben.